Been thinking about quitting alcohol or getting sober? Try and skip this as much as possible. Hey, my name's Cody. I'm going to be answering all of your questions about alcohol. Putting it off until tomorrow. You are going to be this exact same person tomorrow. You may be really good at managing your symptoms and curbing all of the hangovers, but that's also what you're attempting to escape. And if you enjoy what I'm saying, please consider following me. And the longer you practice not taking action, the harder it's going to be for you to continue getting started, because you're writing a neurological code that today is less important than tomorrow. We prioritize the possibility of tomorrow if it shows up that maybe you'll wake up with more energy, wake up better because you had better sleep, or maybe somebody's going to be around to coach you through the starting phase. That's not going to happen. And the sooner you practice taking action and deciding that your life matters, you're going to take that practice into every single step of your sobriety journey, and it's going to be infinitely easier because you're training yourself to do things because you don't want to. That's what discipline is. Listen to what I'm saying. Number 2, we've got to stop listening to the advice of the people that make us want to drink. There is nothing that they're going to offer you that is actually going to improve your quality of life or help you move forward. They do not see you the way that you see you. And if those are the people that are stressing you out and you wouldn't trade places with them, what they're saying isn't helping. And I don't care if it's your mom or your best friend. Hell, maybe you're the toxic one. Instead, you can surround yourself with people that actively know what you're going through and how they've gotten through it, like the Beyond Sober community, because you can't hanging out with the people that helped you create it. And the last thing to try and avoid, if possible, is one that a lot of people think is a good idea. Don't think that switching from liquor to beer is going to help you fix the habit of thinking about alcohol. You may be practicing having drinks that have a less alcohol percentage in it, but you are training yourself to continue expecting a poison. Progress is progress, and you deserve to be celebrated for that. In the long run, we want to practice drinking less of what our body is familiar with. Your body knows more about you than you do, and just switching alcohol is not rewriting the neurological code that makes you think about alcohol in general. Not to mention, switching to all these different liquors and trying to find a lower intake is just stressing your body out. This is why having a regimen, drinking more water, getting better sleep, and eating better food is going to be a very important aspect on your journey. So instead of putting it off till tomorrow and listening to all the people that make you want to drink and then just switching alcohol, start practicing drinking less alcohol until you've developed a healthier relationship with it. Disclaimer, if you're drinking a ridiculous amount of alcohol, just practicing drinking less may not work for you. Only you know. And remember, sobriety doesn't guarantee happiness, but happiness guarantees sobriety.